This Century 21 Agate Realty property video is presented by Ruth Wilson. Airport Hangar number 12 for sale at Brookings, Oregon Airport. Hangar square feet is 1,515 plus apron square feet of 905 for total square feet of 2,421. Current use is a workshop. Tools and contents of hangar to be auctioned off soon. Current lease is with City of Brookings with a rent at $694.21 per year. Buyer to perform due diligence with City of Brookings and Airport, as to uses, lease, etc. For more information, review the details below or contact Ruth Wilson at 541-469-2143.